La 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 la.
Big Bird sings.
Hey, you kids! Hey, Wesley! Yo, Emma! Oh, boy, I am in such luck today. And you're in luck, too, because Bird's going to show us something really exciting. He's going to show us his scrapbook. Yeah. Oh, Bird!
Snuffy, old pal. Oh, and look who's here. Hey, you come on in too. Come on.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
Made it, Bird.
Yeah.
All right, Birdie, where is it?
Right over there, Snuffy.
Oh, wow.
Take a look.
Look at that. It's a scrapbook. I always wondered, Bird.
Well, Snuffy, it says, My Scrapbook by Big Bird.
And you made that all by yourself?
Yes, Snuffy. I put in all my favorite things like pictures of places that I've been, things that I've made, souvenirs.
Oh, wow, the outside is beautiful, Bird. Can we look at the inside?
Snuffy, be my guest.
Oh, boy. This book is a little small for me, Bird. Do you think you could give me a hand?
Oh, you want a little help?
Yeah.
What are friends for? Here we are.
Oh, wow! I wasn't expecting this, Bird.
Snuffy, this is my 4 collection.
Oh, and there's a picture of you holding a microphone. I'll bet you're getting ready to talk about the number 4.
Actually, I'm about to do something else about the number 4.
What's that, Bird?
Sing!
Sing?
Yes, sing like this.